Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Randy Kusuma. My NPM 2341161. I'm here to presentation about descriptive statistic unlocking insights from data. Descriptive statistic provide a powerful toolkit for summarizing and understanding data. Next, introduction to descriptive statistics. Number one, data exploration. Descriptive statistics are used to gain insight from data. Number two, data summary. The statistic profit consists summaries of key characteristic of data. Number three, data visualization. Uh, Visual representations help to understanding truth and outliers in data. Next, measure of central tendency. Mean, median, mode. Mean, the average of all value in a dataset. Median, the middle value when the data is sorted in ascending order. Mode, the value that appears most frequently in a dataset. Next, measure of dispersion, rank, variance, standard deviation. Number one, rank. The difference between the highest and lowest value in a dataset. Number two, variance. The effect square deviation of a value from the mean. Number three, standard deviation. The square root of the variance indicating the spread around the mean. Next, graphical representational histograms, scatter plots, box plots. Number one, histogram show the frequency distribution of continuous data. Uh, Number two, scatter plots. Scatter plots visualize the relationship between two variables. Box plots. Box plots summarize key factors distribution. Next, uh, describing categorical data, frequency distribution, P cards. Frequency distribution. Number one, frequency distribution, a table that summarizes the frequencies of each category in a dataset. Uh, Number two, P-card. P-card, a color graph that shows the proportion of each category as a click of the pen. Next, relationship between variables, correlation, and regression. Number one, correlation. Correlation measure the strength and direction of the linear relationship between variables. Number two, regression. Regression predicts the value of one variable based on the value of another variable. Next, uh, comparing group tests and NOVA. The test uh, compare the means of two groups to determine if they are significant different from each other. Types of the test. Type 1, independent test, used when you have two independent groups. Uh, Type 2, paired test, when use the two groups realize red or paired some white. Assumptions, the data from each group should be approximately normality distributed. Uh, Number two, ANOVA. ANOVA compare the means of two or more groups. Uh, Type of ANOVA. Type 1, type on 1Y ANOVA. Compress mean scores the or more independent groups based on one independent variable. Type 2Y ANOVA. Compress mean across group based on two independent variable and can also assess the interaction between the two variables. Next, next, identifying authors and anomalies. Number one, authors. Value that are significantly different from the rest of the data. Number two, anomalies. Value that are unexpected or unusual. Number three, uh, detection. Various test techniques can be used to identify outliers and anomalies. Next, interpreting and communicating descriptive statistic. Descriptive statistic profit value next communication is key to effectively sharing findings and making data driven decisions. Oh, that is all and thank you. See you and goodbye.